A lot of people ask me what I do. I build huge brands, huge companies online using social media platforms. And that's pretty much what I do, and I travel all around the world to show people how to do the same exact thing. You know, a lot of people think it's not real, but we're really making those 6 figures, 7 figures that people talk about. This is the future. Everybody's doing this. This isn't nothing new. Guys, you gotta wake up, man. Wake up to what's going on, man. A lot of people making serious money online. A lot of people ask me, you know, what do you do? I travel the world. I create where my office space is gonna be. And I show other upcoming and maybe, you know, some type of experienced entrepreneurs how they can either 10 times their business or, you know, make their first $5,000, $10,000 online, right? And you might be watching this video like, yeah, right, that's impossible. But guys, we was having a conversation the other day, and I was saying, like, you know, in this industry, in this profession, 100K a year is like a bad year, and a lot of people are asleep on the opportunity and how much money you can actually make online. They think, you know, some type of made-up industry, guys, but this industry been around for centuries. Created more millionaires than any profession. It's all about you wanting the opportunity, you taking the opportunity, and we're looking for those people who are serious about taking the opportunity. Out here in Miami right now, you know, it's the Rolling Loud concert. It's thousands, maybe millions of people out here, you know, who travel all around the world to come to Miami to spend money, turn up, have a good time, right? And we're here to have a good time too. We're out here in these Miami streets, but you know, I just wanted to show you guys the difference is I'm on vacation, which is a paycation because we get paid while on vacation, and they just on vacation where they had to take off from work, stop getting paid to come here. So I wanted to show you guys right here on Friday, yesterday, as you guys know, if you know me, you know my story. You know, I came from the trap house, came from nothing, got in this industry 5 years ago. You know, now 7-figure earner, earning over 6 figures a month. And I don't say that to brag or boast or, you know, try to impress you, but it's to impress upon you and let you know what's possible, right? 27 years old, guys. I'm nobody special, college dropout, but I understood the power of the internet. I understood what's possible. I seen people like me, who look like me, talk like me, winning and having the results that I wanted. So it was just a no-brainer to try to get it on my own. So if you are like me and you see people winning who are like you, and you said, I think I could do this, I want to do this, go ahead, reach on out to us. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah.